Hello everyone, I'm out here at my open house at 32 West 52nd Street. I'm doing an open house from 12 to 2 today. It is a rather rainy day and I know the Colts are playing. So if you were able to make it out today but are interested in this house, give us a call. Email me at pamh@talk2tucker.com. I'll just give you a quick run around just from right here. Family room out there into the beautiful patio. There's a dining room, fireplace and mantle. Over that way is the front door area. Beautiful patio, hardwood floors. Oops, dropped you. And behind me here is one of the beautiful bathrooms, and there are two main level bedrooms down here. There's also upstairs and a completely finished basement. So come on out.